This is Satish Nakam from MVP's KBT College of Engineering, Nasik. This course is for Basic Electronics Engineering for first year engineering students. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the half-wave rectifier circuit. So half-wave rectifier. So what is half-wave rectifier? Half-wave rectifier means which allows only the positive half cycle. So whatever may be the alternating current which I am getting from the transformer secondary coil, it is pulsating. It is a pulsating. So what is my half-wave rectifier? My half-wave rectifier is going to allow only the positive half cycle. Is going to allow only positive half cycle, and negative half cycle it is supposed to be suppressed. It is supposed to be restricted. So I am getting only positive half cycle. This type of rectifiers we call half-wave rectifier. So positive half cycle appears across the load. लोड जो आपने कनेक्ट किया उसके ऊपर अपीयर होता है, एंड वेयर एज नेगेटिव हाफ साइकिल इज सप्रेस. नेगेटिव हाफ साइकिल आपको नहीं मिलता. इट इज सपोज्ड टू बी गेट स्टॉप, व्हिच इज सपोज्ड टू बी गेट सप्रेस. दिस कैन बी डन बाय यूजिंग a very important component which we have discussed, that is my PN junction diode. Diode is going to pass the current only in a forward bias. When it is in a reverse bias, it will act as an open switch. It will act as an open switch. Okay. And this half-wave rectifier requires only one diode, and this is a circuit. What is this?
Input transformer.
This is my step-down transformer. Now, when the positive half cycle is there, my A is positive and B is negative. This part we have already finished. And when the negative half cycle is there, what about A and B?
A is negative and B
Or
is
B?
positive.
In case of my positive half cycle, this one is my positive half cycle. What will be the condition of a diode? A is positive, B is negative. So positive terminal of the supply is connected to anode, and cathode is connected to the negative terminal through the load. Load is my circuit for which I am going to design this particular supply, power supply. Load resistor is there. You can consider a simple resistor RL. Through this RL, the circuit it is get complete. Anode of the diode is connected to positive terminal, and cathode of the diode is connected to the negative terminal, which is my B, which I have mentioned, which is a negative. Tell me, what will be the condition of a diode?
Forward.
It is on a forward bias. And as the voltage is greater than 0.7 volt, when the voltage becomes greater than 0.7 volt, definitely it will act as a closed switch. It will act as a closed switch means what? The current that is supposed to be flow, whatever may be the voltage which is generated by the secondary coil, accordingly my current that is supposed to be flow. So I will get here the current. I can draw here the current. So this is my current which is flowing through the RL. And now, in case of negative half cycle, A is minus, B is plus. As A is minus and B is plus, now what is the condition of a diode? Whether it is in a forward bias or reverse bias?
Reverse.
It is in a reverse bias. And as it is in a reverse bias, it will act as an open switch. It will act as an open switch means it is not going to pass the current through it. So definitely we are not getting any current in this negative half cycle. Okay. Next positive half cycle, we are getting again the current in case as we got the diode, it is in a forward. This is how we got the current. Now, if we measure the voltage across this RL, the current is flowing through this RL, and if we measure the voltage across this, what will happen? V is equal to IR, which accordingly as resistance is constant, voltage is changing, so definitely current is changing. As the current is changing because of this input voltage, and as the current changing, and if I measure here the voltage across this, that voltage is also supposed to be changed. Getting the current graph, and I'm getting here the voltage graph at the output. This is my V out. Now next one, these are the things which I have already explained. Okay, when AC supply is on, the alternating current shown in the figure below appears across the terminal A and B. A or B पे appear मिलता है secondary winding के. Okay, during the positive half cycle, A becomes positive, B becomes negative, and the diode it is in a forward bias. It conducts and current flows through the diode through the load resistor RL. This current varies in magnitude as shown in the waveform diagram above. But here, as the input voltage which is varying, because The input voltage which we are getting, it is not constant one. It is supposed to be vary as a sinusoidal wave. Correct. So whatever may be the current which is flowing here, Im. Vm is the voltage which is generated by secondary coil, and Im is the current which is passing through the complete circuit. Now this is my complete circuit, correct? I have to write down the here relation. Im कितना current flow होगा?
M upon
V
RL.
is yes Vm upon, very correct.
RL.
Vm upon RL. Why RL?
For the load, the resistance is RL, na?
Yes, RL is the resistor RL. Okay. Whether we are having only single resistance in this particular loop, is there any other resistor which is present in the loop? Can we say there is some resistance of a secondary coil?
Yes.
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 No, sir.
So definitely we can
So
say
you
there
are
is one
asking the
resistor
question.
again, that is RS, resistance of a secondary coil. Can we say there is a small resistance of a diode when it is in a forward bias?
Yes,
When
sir.
we apply
sir.
some input voltage, my diode is not going to pass the current up to 0.7 volt. It is not going to pass any current. So what it means? It means it is having some resistance, and that is my RF when it is in a forward bias. So this is the relation which I can form. This is a relation which I can form here, that is Im is equal to Vm divided by Rs plus Rf plus RL. This is a very important relation. I can say this is the first relation which we got in case of this particular one. Okay. So here in this, I'm having Rs is equal to resistance of a secondary coil. Rf is the resistance of a diode when it is in a forward bias. Remember, there is a difference between the resistance when it is in a forward bias and a reverse bias. RL is the resistance of a load. Up to this, is it correct? Any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Yeah? No. Okay. So disadvantages. Disadvantage, a very simple one. You are having input AC, you are getting DC output. But only the 50% energy which is given by the secondary is utilized here. Remaining 50% part that you are not going to utilize. This is a drawback of half wave rectifier. हम लोग actually your secondary is going to provide you the negative half cycle also. So that you are not going to utilize is the first drawback. Second drawback, you are getting pulsating output. So when you have to make it filter, you have to use a very good quality of filter, because in this particular section you are not getting any voltage. So when you have to filter it, a good quality of filters you require. These are the two disadvantages of the half wave rectifier. This is all about the half wave rectifier circuit. Thank you.